Okay, I'm going to do a quick video on maintaining and repairing clipper lighters. Now this isn't extensive because it's a $3 item. There's only so much you can do. But I pretty much go through this routine every time I run out of fluid or need a flint. Here I'm showing the fluid level, which you can't see because there was only drops in there. Sorry for the dirty bottom of the lighter. You take out the stem, it just pulls out. And now I'm going to put the fluid in, or take the fluid out. It's real important to get all the gas out. So I'm using tweezers, and you press in on the stem on the bottom. Here's a better shot of it. Try different angles, upside down, right side up, shake it. Just get all the gas out, because you don't want any oxygen in there. Okay, so now I'm putting the gas in. I've never had a problem with a can that didn't fit, but if you get one that does, they usually come with little nozzles that you could attach to it that are different sized. Like I said, I haven't had any problems with it. Now you can see it's pretty full. Well, it's hard to see, but you can see the fluid in there. It's about a 1/4 inch from being full. Okay, so now I'm putting the flint stem back in, the lighting mechanism, and you can see it doesn't work perfectly. So here's the maintenance part. Oh, actually, make sure that side with the little ledge on it, that goes into the lighter, towards the middle. So you take some alcohol and a cotton swab, dip it in the alcohol. You couldn't see that. And you hold it so that you can get all the carbon or any other debris that's on there off. Just do as good a job as you can. I took the flint out and inspected it. There was almost nothing left of the flint. But to get in there, you really need to take the flint out. And then you clean the housing and around the gas nozzle. There's a lot of carbon buildup. I don't know that this helps that much, but if it's clogged up, you could take a pin and kind of scrape a little bit. Don't go too deep. But yeah, if you think your gas isn't coming out strong enough. There's the flint on my big ugly hand. So I'm gonna put that in the stem, which unscrews. You could see the spring in the background. Use a dime. Don't use a screwdriver. You can stab yourself in the hand pretty good trying to get that thing undone. Find the hole, buddy. Okay, so I don't use anything to tighten it down. I try and get it as tight as I could get with my fingers. It's really down there hard when you get it from the factory, the first time you do it. But if you have any problems, you don't think you're getting enough spark, then you can take a dime or a quarter or something and really ratchet it down. Press that flint up as hard as it'll go. This time I'm going to show you the edge with the end with the ledge goes towards the middle of the lighter. And it's not working perfectly. It's working, but not perfectly. So I found a good way to test and see where the problem is to find another working lighter and just switch the stems, and that'll narrow it down and let you know that the stem is what the problem is, and not the housing. And you can see when I switch the stems, now it's working perfectly. That was a brand new lighter. So I'm going to put the old stem into the new lighter, and you can see it doesn't always light. Yeah, it's doing pretty good now.